Second day back at Hollywood Studios, first ride of the day, the Tower of Terror. I want to see the pre-show.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. 9. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique. It calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Tower of Terror at the Hollywood Studios as of right now. Oh yeah, our favorite ride here in Disney Hollywood Studios. I'm not actually gonna record this one because I did during the first time here, and I just want to enjoy the ride itself as it's intended to be enjoyed. So you'll see me when we get done.
Picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong!
Nothing can stop us now! I knew somehow that we would finally make it! We can walk crazy round!
2 months ago, the ride broke down right here.
What's this lever do?
She last days. You last days. Really asked you about it? Oh no, I have it's at the hotel. Oh, she just did it. Nah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Come on, Dan.
Okay. Thank you.
Come on, Dan.
Gotcha. Hold level like this.
Uh-oh. Here we go, Dan. Come on, Skylar, drive us, Dave.
Woohoo! Slinky Dog Dash!
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
I am. Cool. Woo, we're done.
With churros.
Next, we're about to head into Muppet Vision 3D.
I actually love the pre-show in this too.
Look, I'm sorry about these interruptions. All right, we're just about ready to start the movie. So if you listen carefully, you can hear the orchestra tuning up. Hey, wait a second. Hey, you penguins can't go in there. You'll interrupt the orchestra.
Scooter, these penguins are the orchestra. Come on, Eugene, come on, Estelle, come on, Stowe, come on.
Once again, if somebody dropped a pin.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Sam Eagle, and these are some important safety instructions for you. Not now.
Sam, this is urgent. Come here.
What is it? What?
Yes!
Really? Here?
Right over there.
Well, of course, certainly. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an unexpected surprise. I have the great honor of introducing the one, the Mr. Mickey Mouse.
Hello, hi there, welcome to my park. How you doing? Hello. What?
You are not Mickey Mouse, you are a rat.
Rat smack. Besides, they're tourists. What do they know?
Will you get out of here?
Okay, but do I still get my $10?
Get out, get out, get out!
Right.
Will you get out?
Yes!
I apologize. Now where was I? Yes, safety instructions. First, when entering the theater, please move as far to the end of the row as possible. Stopping in the middle is distinctly unpatriotic. Second, do not attempt to walk while wearing your 3D glasses. You may trip, and frankly, you will look... What are you doing?
I'm just showing how you can trip if you walk with your glasses on.
Will you stop this foolishness?
What foolishness would you like to see?
Will you get out of here? What now?
We're almost ready, Sam.
Oh, fine. Okay, thank you, Scooter. Now, the performers will all go in the theater first, and then you, the audience, will be admitted. All right, performers, let us enter in an orderly fashion and provide an example. Will somebody please take over?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. We're about to head inside, so once again, if you are by these doors, make sure your feet are all the way behind that yellow line. Once the doors open, please choose a row and then move about 3/4 of the way down, leaving 5 seats empty at the end of the row, and then you can have a seat and everyone else can fill in those seats behind you.
Wait, look at the theater real quick.
Check out how the projection looks like they have a high staring at it.
What are we going to see in here anyway? It's one of those 3D movies. Put on your glasses, Stanley. Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady.
We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold of the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine will now generate the first living 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D.
Thank you.
Hi there. Ooh, cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it when your nose runs? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you. No troubles as life bubbles on, dear. Still craving a kiss. All right, that's it. Knock it off, penguin. But it was going so well. I will not work with the rabbit.
Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
What?
Peabody, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was
Get
just
out.
trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away. Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you can come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you give me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, sweeter, that's a great effect.
Hey, Fozzie, Kermit! What is it? Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no.
Yes.
Good riddance. Hey, we gotta find him.
I know!
All right, everybody spread out and look for Bean.
Right.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment. But in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bean.
Bean.
Oh, Bean.
Bunny! Bean! Bunny! Bean! Where are you? Bean! Bean! Bean!
Bunny! What's all the commotion about? Bunny ran away. Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us.
Hey, anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where?
Right there.
Where? Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny? Bean!
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
This is a very moving moment.
Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean!
The fireworks!
Rockets away!
Enjoying the fireworks? No, your chair's on my foot!
What's this?
Stop the movie! Stop the movie, Chef! Hey, Chef! Can't you hear me? Stop the projector!
You will hear from my lawyer.
Hey, I'll save you, penguin! Take it easy! Oh, I'm sorry! Oh, no, wait! Don't shoot! Duck, everybody! Duck! No, not you! Them! Look out!
At last, I'm out of this silly film. It was a big You couldn't hit me with a cannon? Wait, he's got a cannon!
Everyone okay in here? We surrender! We surrender! What an explosion!
So we decided to stop off for an early, quick lunch at Pizza Rizzo. I decided to go with the meatball sub. My cousin Jake decided to go with the pizza cannoli. Yes, pizza cannoli. Scholar went with the classic cheese pizza. I didn't get a seat, but okay. Comes with a Caesar salad. Dad went with the same thing. Wendy got, I guess we all agree, so Wendy got the same thing too. Meatball sub as well. And for dessert, she went with the, I don't know.
Pizza cookie.
With the cookie pizza. It's, I don't know, it's probably I'm guessing it's probably a sugar cookie that looks like, basically, that's designed to look like a pizza. Guess we'll wait and see. Reaction.
Guys, I was trying to cut it, but it's... Oh, there we go. You can cut it.
Wendy went with the pizza cookie. Let's give it a try.
You want to try it first, Dan?
Sure.
There you go.
First time trying the pizza cookie from Pizza Rizzo. Going in. Not bad. Try another taste.
Hey, Toy Story Mania is back up. Toy Story Mania is back up. But Mickey's Runaway is temporarily closed.
Oh, it's like a sugar cookie with jelly. It's, you got it. It's like but you definitely have a hint of It kind of tastes like raspberry jam in a way. Like a sugar cookie with raspberry jam. Not bad. I would definitely get it again. Maybe not over the chocolate cookie num num though. But if I'm happen to get if I want a cookie here at Pizza Rizzo, I would probably go. I wouldn't mind getting this again. So as soon as everybody gets out of the bathrooms, we're gonna head out of Pizza Rizzo and go on board Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run.
You'll also be pulling the hyperspeed. My two gunners, the circle button is the missile. The square one is the laser. You'll be protecting the cargo. My engineers, you're pressing all the flashing buttons you see here. You'll be fixing the ship and collecting our cargo. Any questions, comments, or concerns? No? Perfect. We'll hang tight here for just a moment.
Yeah.
Coaxial. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
So busy with everything in front of me. It was kind of fun to enjoy a little bit.
Right this way, recruits, bags off, seatbelts on. Thank
For
you.
your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
What do we do with our bags?
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get to the green trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly
Wendy to the right! Skylar! Come on, Skylar! Crying out loud! You're killing us! Come on, Wendy!
The pulling back is going down, the pulling is going up.
Jeez, Skylar! Skylar!
Pilot, brakes!
Come on, Sky!
Okay, it's watch once.
Holy crap, Skylar! Jeez! What are you doing to us, Wendy?
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for us. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Come on, Wendy! Wendy, pull right!
Pilots,
Wendy!
into the
Wendy!
center.
Jeez!
Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly, please?
Skylar!
Flight engineer! Well, it's harder
Come on,
than it
Skylar! Wendy! Wendy to the right!
Gunship! Oh, yes.
Come on, Greg! You shoot like your mom! Oh, Greg! Jeez, Jack! You shoot like your mom!
Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Holy crap! Wow, what'd you do?
The Star Destroyer is collapsing!
Wendy! Got him!
I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here.
Whoa! Come on, Skylar! You're killing us!
Joey will pilot us in remote. You retrieve.
What are you doing to us, man?
This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. That is rough.
So the best time we did it was me and Jake. And then it was me and Wendy, and then it was Fred and Danny.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but time for you to go.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line Numb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander.
Little Twiggy out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this vessel is now under the commands of the First Order. You will disembark and proceed down the corridor to your right for interrogation. Let's get moving.
Hello, over there.
Prisoners are secure.
No, we're not.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
On the left-hand side, blue in the front, red in the back.
Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoner Part C or level D. There they are! Fire!
Just follow us. Take the list down. Over you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
Up is bad. Up is real bad.
Priority alert.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to... There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
We're about to ride Toy Story Midway Mania. Not gonna film this one just because I want to enjoy the ride for what it is, and it's kind of hard to film this ride anyway because like an arcade shooter game, and I kind of want to try my best to beat my score that I had last time. So I'll see you guys after I get done. So our last attraction before we end our last day at Hollywood Studios is the Tower of Terror. I'm not gonna film this one just because I already got plenty of footage during our first day here, and I just want to enjoy the ride as is. So after that, our next plan is to stop off at the Polynesian Resort, grab some Dole Whip, and then see what happens after that. So, just kidding, we actually used up our free DAS pass already. So I think the plan is for right now, we're done doing everything here at Hollywood Studios. I think the plan for right now is to just go to the Polynesian, chill, just have some Dole Whip, and then see where the rest of the evening takes us from there. Quick stop at the merchandise shop at the Polynesian Resort. I'm gonna see if I can purchase. I'm looking for a specific shirt that I would like to try to see and get. They have different tumblers.
Can I get this?
You want that?
Rude.
That's cool looking.
I know.
Right?
What do the viewers think? Should I get this or not?
It's up to you.
yes.
Is your heart? What is your heart saying?
Heart saying yes.
Then heck yeah, get it.
But my wallet's saying no.
Oh. Okay. Oh, let me see.
Definitely.
Oh, the front. Oh, hell yeah, the Muppets. The Muppets. Wow.
The back.
Get
Ooh.
it. There's other shirts in there too, dude.
Okay. Here's a long. Here's like a. Oh wow, that's heavy. This is more like a sweatshirt that says. That has a Aloha.
Alright, look at these.
Well, this guy is intimidating looking. Kind of scary looking. So is this guy. Kind of creepy. Yeah, that is kind of. It is kind of cute. Not gonna lie.
Andrew, did you want to go look at the toys up here?
I'm gonna get the regular float for $6.99. So with the pineapple juice, choice of pineapple, vanilla, or a swirl. I'm gonna get mine with just regular pineapple. Actually, update. We just heard that actually Skylar has never had a Dole Whip before in her life, so this is a first for her. First time trying it out.
Am I going first?
I guess so. So here's a look at my my Dole Whip float. It's a Dole pineapple. It's served with Dole pineapple juice. Served with pineapple Dole Whip. With some maybe some hopefully some pineapple chunks or pineapple chunks at the bottom of here. So Jake, how is it? You think?
It's my favorite resort. Good.
Good. Let Skylar try some.
Already did.
What do you think? What do
Not
you?
my favorite.
Oh no, you don't like it?
No, not
Oh no.
They used to have a luau here, but they got rid of it because they're building that new building. That's where it was.
Oh, okay.
So Dad, you got just the regular plain Dole Whip?
Yep, in the cup. It's awesome.
Just regular pineapple, no swirl.
No swirl.
Did you get yours swirl?
Yes, I think I'm swirl.
Okay. I just went with pineapple and pineapple. It's really good, very refreshing. Nice and citrusy. So yeah, I
check out Captain Cook's after this. See if there's anything you want to take back with you.
Hey, that's an idea. I might do the same thing. Okay.
That's
I
fine.
love that shrimp salad. Should be explosive.
Take a look at the Grand Floridian outside the Grand Flor of the Polynesian Resort. Here's a quick look at the pool room of the pool. Entering Captain Cook. A quick service at the Polynesian. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Your regular standard fountain drinks. Look at their menu offerings. Spicy tea and chicken bowl sound good. Coconut meatballs are pretty good. Asian style noodles, noodle style, yum noodles. Burgers, pork sandwich, salads, and all types of flatbreads. You can even get your own premium Mickey bars, ice cream cookie sandwiches here, so that way you don't have to get them. You can either get them here, so that way you don't have to get them throughout the park. Quick look at the Polynesian Resort map. I like to look at the wall-to-wall posters. A paradise born of the sea. Back at the Grand Floridian Hotel, let me show you a quick map of this real quick. So, this is cool.
Just a little landing.
Yep. Quick look at the back view of the Grand Floridian real quick. Outside of the back view. See the waterway? Ah, yeah. This is scary because, well, I don't want to go down. I'm not going to go into it too much, but see right there, a sign says danger. Alligators and snakes in this area. So just so you know. Just so you know. Yep. Oh, you can see. It's hard to see with this lens, I'm sorry. I don't have my zoom lens on right now, but if you see all the way over there is a far angle distance of the Polynesian. Sorry for the background noise, that's the TV that you're hearing, by the way. Anyhow.
Eating right now, Dan?
Yep. I decided to go with, this is my quick service meal at Captain Cook's. I decided to go with, so I went with the shrimp and vegetable stir fry with ohana noodles, and cousin Wendy decided to go with, she wanted the super salad with shrimp, but she's saving hers for later because she's not hungry at the moment.
Yes.
Asian style stir fry noodles with shrimp and vegetables going in. It's too much. Try a little noodle and a little bit of shrimp. Mmm. Interesting. That's a little bit of everything with the shrimp. Let me try with just another bite with just the noodles and noodles only. Hmm.
Is yours cold or hot, Dan?
No, it's served warm.
It's warm.
This is actually very interesting. Because the noodles here taste very similar to like the all you care to enjoy, all you can eat noodles that you get at Ohana. They're pretty similar. I mean, they may not be exactly the same, but they do taste, to me they taste almost identical. I don't know if that's officially confirmed or not, but you know, if you want a good quick service like snack or lunch or dinner, whatever, you can definitely come to Captain Cook's and get it for a lot cheaper. And the vegetables it comes with is corn and broccoli. So you see, guys, take a look at the glass bulb chandeliers on here. They all look like birds, right? However, there's one specifically out of all the others that actually looks like our actual penguin. Right there. See it, guys? Right there. You see on the floor right there is a look of Cinderella right there. look on the floors right there, you see some hidden details. There's a Minnie Mouse. There's Pluto. I think, oh, there's Donald. Turn over here. There's Mickey Mouse. There's Goofy. Here's the Grand Floridian. They even have a small classic arcade, 1980s arcade. Pac-Man, Guitar Hero. Sega Racing, and then Whack-A-Clown. This is all small mini arcade marble games. These are the tables and chairs for when they have special events. There's a dinosaur. That one's a crocodile. Seahorses. King Trident, or King Neptune, whoever it is. Ooh. I see him.
See him?
Yeah, he's like just chilling over there.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, I can clarify. It's not the owl from Winnie the Pooh.
No, I don't think that's what is his name from Winnie the Pooh? How in the
Amazing.